Welcome everybody inside 30 Lunada Glen in Alamo on the west side of Alamo. Beautifully remodeled head to toe. I want you guys to take a look at this right now. We're coming into the entry. Beautiful oak wood flooring throughout the downstairs. Living room, dining room. Let's take a look. So thank you guys for touring our latest listing, Westside Alamo, 30 Lunada Glen. Any questions, reach out to me anytime. Jason Caskey, Coldwell Banker. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you soon. Take care.